Welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under definite integral. The lower limit and the upper limit are provided, but the upper limit is in alphabet. So we have to integrate from -1 to a 2 into bracket x plus 2 bracket 2 dx equals to 15. Then the condition provided for the a is that the a must be more than 0, meaning it must be a negative number. So in finding this, we just need to put in the limit, the lower and the upper limit, into the integral of this to see if we can get 15. That's the meaning of this. So we know per integration, let's write the question down. We have a minus 1. We can open this bracket in order to have a simple linear equation. 2 times x will be 2x. 2 times 2 will be 4. So this is what we are going to integrate to see if we can get what? 15. But per the integral of this being definite, we are going to increase this by 1, that is the power of 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So it's going to be 2x squared, then we divide by the power 2, plus, since this is a constant, if you integrate a constant, you introduce the variable that you are dealing with to become 4x. Then from the limit of -1, a, we have what? 15. So now we can see this can cancel. So I will have x squared plus 4x, limit of -1, a equals what? 15. So per this, we are going to find the upper limit, substitute into the value of x minus the lower limit. So in this case, I'll be having, in place of x, I'll be having a. So that gives us a squared plus 4x, which is now a, minus, let's bring this. Now in place of x, I'll now be having what? -1. So -1 all squared plus 4 -1, as in this place, close up to give us what? 15. So furthermore, we are going to have a squared 4a. Right here, we can even have our minus. This is going to be 1. This we have what? -4 equals to what? 15. 1 minus 4 will give us -3. So we're going to have a squared plus 4a minus -3. That gives us plus what? 3 equals to 15. Since we are having 2, the variable 1 having the power of 2, power of 1, then this on the power of 0. So we are going to group them to form a quadratic equation. So we have a squared 4a plus 3. Now we subtract 15 from both the left and the right. So this is going to be -15 equals to 15 minus 15 give us what? 0. So we can compute this to have a squared plus 4a minus 12 equals to 0. And in doing this as a quadratic equation, we find factors of -12. That when we add, we should get a positive word, 4. So we can take those factors to be -2 times 6. That will be minus what? 12. 2 times -6 will also give us what? -12. So in this case, the addition of them, which one give us a positive 4? I think this will give us a positive 4. If the smallest one is small, is minus, it gives us a subtraction. So we are going to get a -4, positive 4 with that. So now we are going to introduce our answer into brackets. We know a squared is a times a. So I have a times a. The factors we have is -2 and positive 6. So if two brackets are multiplying and the result is 0, it means either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So if we equate this to 0, it becomes a minus 2 equals 0. Then you add 2 to both sides, meaning your a is going to be equal to 2, or here your a is going to be equals to minus 6. So we have for a equals to minus 6. But we have been given a condition that a is more than what? 0. So if a is more than 0, it means this cannot be the answer. So therefore, the value of a is going to be considered as what? 2. We are going to ignore the minus 6 and put this. Simply means that if a is replaced with 2, lower limit -1, +2 for upper limit, if you do the integral of this, we are going to have 15. That is the meaning. I believe this is okay. If this is clear, like, share, and what? Comment. Bye.